Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else
Yeah,
but let you down.
let you down.
On you, play on my melody.
play forward, watch every sequence bit by bit. Cause this is my own investigation. I am obsessed with finding out why you left. I keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. I got about a million leads to find the answer why you left me in the cold. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. Like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. I'm lying awake in our bed while staring holes in the ceiling. I got no clues. You played a trick in my head. Can't listen to reason or logic. I'm so confused. I'm caught up in a web of these loose ends that don't lead nowhere. But I won't rest my case until I know. I keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. I got about a million leads to find the answer why you left me in the cold. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. Like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. I think I will get a second chance. If I solve the puzzle, it would all make sense. But deep inside, I know it's not that simple. Feels like I'm banging my head against the wall. I keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. I got about a million leads to find the answer why you left me in the cold. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. Like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me.
I always got these expectations. No one loves me like I love myself. Don't attempt to elevate this shit. I'm wandering from messing up. It goes so fast. 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last. 1 minute we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada starry night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada starry night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. Get a little lost in these translations, yeah. All my words are stuck in this delay. Now your touch kinda overwhelms me, but I'm wondering for messing up. Yeah, I'm wondering for messing up. It goes so fast. 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last. 1 minute we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada starry night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow too late. I can make any more mistakes. Then I'm wondering for messing up.